So officially, this is the intro. If I we are doing a basic brush session with the hard brush, if I would say. Now it's not the hard brush; it's the medium, which is hard and soft at the same time. So I'll be doing that right now. You feel me? So if you enjoy the video or like to even let's get to 5 likes and the next video will come out early. If you like to see the next video, and if you don't understand what I'm trying to say and saying, turn on your CC, which is subtitles, if you don't hear what I'm trying to say. But anyways, let's just do the procession. If I would say this is the intro, and after here I'll just show you a clip of me brushing my hair, but I will continuously be speaking so everyone can be engaged with the with watching the video while listening to what I'm saying. Because when I'm brushing, just brushing alone, I don't think people get interested. But if you'd like to comment down below, just comment down below what do you think, your thoughts and everything. You feel me? It doesn't matter what you say, but make sure you keep some things to yourself. But anyways, brush session, yeah. I need a thumbnail quick. Back with the basic brush session, yeah. So then for some people, if I have too much bass, you feel me? Yeah, I know how it goes in the morning. But anyways, let's just start off, you feel me? I think later today I'll make a video where I put on the moisture, but right now I'm focused on the brush session because it's in the morning. I literally want to brush, and I thought of recording because some people would say, "Hey, yo, dog, you remember you said if you don't upload, then you don't brush." Yeah, I lied about that. No one cares. There's no such thing as like that. When I don't upload, I don't brush, yo. I brush every single day, three brush sessions a day. And I even have a schedule of the brush session itself. So why would I not follow my schedule? Remember, here I'm just creating a small conversation for me to talk, you know. So anything I say or do in this video, don't take it. I wanted to say it with a specific word, but I said take it. Don't take it. Let me just think of a word, then I'll say this shit again. I think on my right side they're coming out. My right side is the side, but when you look at my right side is here. But okay, the left side. My left side is not looking good, but I'm trying to do that specific video that someone told me, "Ayo, do a specific video where you brush the left side only." I was like, "Oh, okay, that's fine." But here I'm brushing my whole head. Remember, people are watching only 5 seconds of the video. That they were watching you brush again. They go out. So that's why I literally make this video short. Cause why would I upload a 1 gig video? Whilst I know that people are gonna watch 80 seconds of them, not even 1 minute. So yo, I uploaded a video where I said 32 hours with wave G. I said 32 hours. That video was 32. Dog, I'm not lying. It was 2 days worth of video tapes. But I know that even though I upload that video, which is quite long, people are not gonna watch the whole video. They're just gonna watch one piece of the video, one clip of the video, which is maybe 1 hour of the video. Then the rest of the hours, they just there. They just there. So that's the reason. And if you're still new on YouTube and you don't know how I know this, obviously it sends feedback. YouTube can send feedback on me. Yo, people are watching how this and when and how. So I can tell when people are watching. It will tell the amount of people which are watching over 30 seconds. and apparently people are watching for 1 minute. None. If you're watching for 1 minute, shout out to you, dog. No cap, shout out to you. But for those people who are watching for 30 seconds, do whatever you can do, but to watch the whole video. I would like you to watch the whole video. You just display it on your background and brush with me. That's the only thing that you can do. You can never sit down and say, okay, today I'm watching this video. You're gonna get bored immediately. If you're brushing and listen to me talk and I'm brushing at the same time, you feel me? That's why I said I need people who are doing waves here. If you're not doing waves, it's not going to be that entertaining for you. Or if you wanna start off, just start off watching the videos that I did actually upload. If you're not interested in watching them, then there's nothing I can do. You feel me? Those videos can help you. If they can't, then go to another creator and search how to do this, how to do this, how to do this. Because some people said they talked about clickbait and everything. You feel me? So unfortunately, I'm not going to make more videos telling you how to do this and do that. Someone commented on the last video how to get waves without a brush. Yeah, I think it's how to get waves without a brush. Someone commented down below is like, yo, I don't like how I hate people who do this. I'm like, okay, so you're saying I must not upload those videos anymore. Telling you, hey yo, how to get waves, how to you feel me? I'm just going to do the wolfing sessions. You feel me? That's what he said, so I'm going with him. You feel me? Just going to do the basic things, brush the whole day, wolfing session until the channel grows and everything grows, you feel me? But thinking that I'll continue making these videos where how to do this, how to do this, nah. You're gonna watch the videos that have been there, and I have new ideas. I was going to upload more videos of how to, but since someone shouted out that, hey yo, boy, yo, you're doing this and this and this, and I hate it. You feel me? I hate when people do this. Okay, I don't do it. You feel me? Cause some people hate it. You feel me? So if I continue doing it, I'm going to be hated. You feel me? So yo, I don't know what's going on here. The fuck? I opened my head. What is going? Yo, what is going on here? Cause I'm quite surprised. It's been here. It doesn't wanna go, bro. It doesn't wanna close, yo. I'm just from outside, so it's cold out here. That's why I'm wearing this shit. It's cold as fuck outside, so I didn't actually go outside, but it's cold around when you just walk outside the house. So I thought, ew, let me just put this shit on. You feel me? I don't want to get flu by this time, even though it's a weekend. But yo, I had some people wanted to start off doing waves. Yo, start off, yo. That's the only thing I can give you. Start off. I'm not going to continue making videos how to unless I get 5 likes every single video. As I said, 5 likes every single video, then I'll do the videos where I'll tell you how to do this, and I'll continue doing the wave update where I would update everyone on the shorts. But unfortunately, on the shorts I will get likes and views. But the main reason here is the YouTube video. You feel me? So 5 likes on this video, which I'm not going to get as always, as I know. But I'll continue uploading. But anyways, make sure we get to 300 subs. I think we're at now we're at 200 here. So let's get to 300 subs. You feel me? At the end of the next month. You feel me? Yeah. But I know if I upload a video how to get waves without, you feel me, I'm going to get more subscribers and likes on that video. Then the wave sessions, the wolfing sessions, you feel me? Wolfing. Oh, I wrote brush session and it's wolfing session. The difference between brush session and wolfing session. Okay. Oh, this is the brush session because my hair hasn't grown yet. Hasn't grown yet, so I'll need to actually change the thumbnail. No, not the thumbnail, the title, because I think I'm messing things up here. I forgot how to, for me, write the thumbnails normally. Because it's the brush session and the wolfing session. Where I'm wolfing, you see my hair growing and all that, brushing, grinding and all that. But right now I'm not grinding. I'm still brushing normally and everything. But anyways, it has been 360 live. Yeah, I'm love with the waves, which are previously my name was Wave God, but someone on YouTube had that name before. So we couldn't be two Wave Gods, you feel me? There's only one Wave God, which is him. And I'm the 360 live nigga. If I would say, but anyways, I'm not allowed to say that name. But anyways, yeah, enjoy this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, which is okay.